This is an extra wide ironing board. If you can't tell, this one is pink, which makes it extra awesome. And let me show you how easy this is. So there are adjustable heights, and it is heavy duty steel right here for the pulls. There is a little lever, and I will show you a close up, but there is a lever. You just pull it and you can adjust the height. So it has like 3 or 4 different heights. So this is the first height down here at about a little lower than waist level for me. I am 5'3". Then there's the next height level. And all I'm doing, and this is the tallest one. So all I'm doing is pulling up on this lever, lifting up the ironing board, and there are little latches that it catches. And then obviously it stays where you put it. So to get it all the way collapsed, you're gonna hold the lever, pull up, and you're just gonna guide it down to the floor. So, and then push it down to latch it. So this is what it looks like collapsed. You can fit it behind any door, hang it up in your laundry room, however you want to. Let me show you the little latch that I'm talking about. Maybe. This is the latch right here. And then the ones that it catches onto, you can kind of see right here. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 different heights total. So this is going to work for every height, and it's going to be comfortable to iron for tall people or short people, whichever works for you.